This is a 2-pack of Smoothy blender cups with lids for the Ninja blenders. I was sent these to review for free. They would cost you about $25 for the 2-pack if you went to purchase them. So in the container you have one of the blending connector things and 2 of the lids and blending cups. And after you blend the smoothie or whatever in your cup, you can screw this lid onto it. It's kind of the travel lid with the pop top there. So these are designed for the 6-pin Ninja blenders that are the 3.5-inch size Ninja blenders, not the other ones that are 4 inches wide. I'm going to throw these all through the dishwasher and then we'll see if it blends. Alright, so these guys all came through the dishwasher just fine, with the exception of a lack of a brand name down here. They look perfectly the same as the OEM containers. So we are going to make a smoothie with one. Alright, that blended just fine. I'm doing a thicker smoothie, so I'm not going to try to suck it through this tiny little hole here, but actually throw it into a bigger cup. So the blender attachment worked just perfectly. I'm going to clean this out with just a little bit of soapy water. Screws aren't off easily, the seals will. I'll demonstrate this lid here using my soapy water. Alright, when the lid is snapped closed, nothing is escaping. And it takes a decent amount of force to pop the lid open, but it's certainly doable. The lid does snap kind of in an open position and will hold that open position so it doesn't bonk you in the nose. Easy flow when it's open. Flip it back, push it down. It's sealed, makes a nice noise so you know when it's popping open or when it's popping closed. You pop it up there, comes out just fine. Alright, this guy, the setup here worked just fine with my Ninja blender.